For your help, I place all the product links in the description.
Hey everyone. I want to share my thoughts on the Ninja Fit Compact Personal Blender, QB3001SS, something I've been using almost daily. If you're looking for a blender that's small but powerful, this might be exactly what you need. I've tested this blender for a few weeks now, and I can honestly say it's become my go-to for making smoothies, protein shakes, and even frozen drinks. Let me walk you through why I love it. One of the standout features of this blender is its 700-watt motor base. I know it might sound like a small number compared to bigger blenders, but trust me, it does the job. The pulse technology is amazing. I tried blending frozen fruit with a handful of ice, and it crushed everything in seconds. The blender powered through frozen strawberries and even some hard ice cubes, which is something I've struggled with in other blenders. I use this feature every day for my post-workout smoothie, frozen banana, spinach, and protein powder, and it blends perfectly every time. That's a big plus for me. Another thing I love is how it unlocks all the nutrients in your fruits and veggies. The Ninja Fit doesn't just juice your ingredients, it blends everything, even parts that I would normally throw away, like apple peels and spinach stems. This was something I didn't think much about until I tried it out. I noticed my smoothies were much thicker, richer, and more satisfying, and I realized it was because I was actually getting more out of my produce. So now, I blend everything, and I feel good knowing I'm not wasting any of those hidden nutrients. I recently made a frozen tropical smoothie with frozen pineapple, mango, and some ice, and I was so impressed by how well it handled the frozen ingredients. It's not just a blender, it's a little frozen drink maker. No more needing an ice crusher or separate machine. I had a thick, icy smoothie that tasted like it came from a resort. That was a game changer for me because I usually have to rely on big, bulky machines to get that texture. The compact size of the Ninja Fit is another huge bonus. I don't have a lot of counter space in my kitchen, so a smaller blender that doesn't take up much room is ideal. Plus, the controls are straightforward, which I love. I'm all about simplicity, and this blender delivers. Just add your ingredients, twist on the blade assembly, and blend away. Even on busy mornings, I can make my smoothie in less than 5 minutes. And if I'm running out the door, I just grab the 16 ounces single-serve cup, attach the spout lid, and I'm set for the day. As for cleaning, I've found it super easy. All the parts are BPA-free and dishwasher safe, which is such a relief. After using it every day for a couple of weeks, it still looks brand new, and I haven't had any issues. I love that it's designed for easy upkeep, especially when you're using it frequently. I also want to mention the 50 recipe inspiration guide that comes with the blender. If you're new to blending or just looking